In this video, I'm going to show you how to tie the Palomar knot, one of the fastest and most simple knots to attach your hooks and lures to your fishing line. All you'll need is some fishing line, a hook or lure, and a line cutting tool. For the purposes of this video, I'll be using white braid just so you can see the line better. The first thing you're going to do is hold the line with both hands. With one of your hands, grab the line and fold it over onto itself to create a small loop. This will be what we thread through the eye of the hook. Pinch the line to get it small enough to go through the hole. And at this point, you're ready to grab your hook. Insert the line through the eye of the hook and pull it through. Be sure not to pull so far that you pull the tag end of your line through the hole. Next, you're going to do a very basic overhand knot, looping the top part of the line underneath the bottom line and threading it through the hole you've just created. The next part is important and varies depending on the size of the hook or lure you are tying onto. You want to be sure you pull the loop through enough to create plenty of slack to allow the hook to go through the center of this loop. If you were tying on a larger lure, you would want to pull out a larger loop and vice versa. Here you'll see, I take the loop, spread it open with my fingers, and put the hook right through the middle of the hole. On the other side of the loop, all you need to do is pull on the long end of your line to tighten the knot down. Wetting the line will help it tighten down easier. Grab your line cutting tool and trim off the excess tag end of your line. You're good to go. You've just tied one of the fastest and most simple fishing knots out there, the Palomar knot. Next, I'll show you another essential knot every angler should know. Stay tuned.